Hello and welcome to another tip on Power BI from ExcelChamp and Intellisoft systems. Hi, my name is Vinai Prakash. Today I want to show you how you can do quick formatting of Power BI visuals because a font can be quite troublesome in most matrix and table visuals. So let's get started. So we are in Power BI. I am going to create a matrix by bringing in the category from the products, and we would like to see the sales amount. As you can see, the font is pretty small. So to change the font, we need to go to Format Painter and open the grid, look for the text size and increase it. Probably size 16. Okay, this looks better, readable. And this is fine. And now I want to create my second matrix, which will show the product name or the category. Maybe we take the class and the sales amount. But again, you see, we end up in the same problem. Microsoft Power BI by default uses a 10-point font size. So it is quite a painful thing to keep changing it again and again. So there are a few things you can do. So the first method is to simply click on a visual, copy it, click outside and do a paste. And now we get a duplicate of the visual. So now we have a copy of the visual which we can drag outside. And now you can simply remove the category and bring in the color or whatever else we wanted. So this way, because we copied the visual, the formatting comes in straightforward. So this is one simple method. But if you don't like this, there's a better method. So watch. I'll click the first visual which looks good, and I'll simply click on the Format Painter. So the format is copied, and now when I click the second visual, it immediately applies the same font size. We can check it out here by looking at the size, and you will be able to see that the text size is 16 point, just like on this visual. And this visual we had copied and pasted, it is still on 16 point. So either you can copy and paste and then change the visual, but I personally like the Format Painter because it's quick and dirty, just takes 2 clicks and the job's done. I hope you like this tip and it will save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching. All the best.